Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Channel Futures TV. I'm Allison Bergamo, principal of Bergamo Marketing Group. Today, I'm joined by Rami Ramaha, Director of Product Marketing at Fortinet. Welcome, Rami. I'm so excited to have you here.
Thanks for having me, Allison.
Well, welcome. I am so excited to chat with you about secure SD-WAN. I know there's a lot to unpack, so let's dive in. First of all, can you share with us what is secure SD-WAN and why are organizations embracing it?
Sure, Allison. So if we look back in the last decade or so, we see traffic pattern at the branch office has changed. And why is that? Because applications are no longer sitting behind the four walls of the data center. So organizations are, consuming applications as a service, like Office 365. They are deploying applications in the public cloud, like AWS, and they still have applications in their own data center. So SD-WAN came about to replace branch routers and help organizations to reach these applications in the most efficient and cost-effective way while delivering consistent and enhanced user experience. And with secure SD-WAN, now they can do this securely. And if we look, and as of last year, 2022, SD-WAN revenue has actually exceeded branch router revenue.
Wow. Thank you for that. I know we've talked about how the workforce is evolving and hybrid workforces are here to stay, applications located in different areas. How is secure SD-WAN evolving with those changes?
Yeah, so SD-WAN actually evolved quite a bit since its actual inception in 2015. It evolved from just being a point product to becoming more a platform. So in 2015, SD-WAN started just to transform the network. But that journey kept evolving, and it evolved where security needs to be integrated with SD-WAN. Then we saw secure SD-WAN coming to fruition in 2018, 2019. But then we saw organizations really embracing the software-defined branch, or they call it SD branch, where they want to transform the whole infrastructure, the LAN, the wireless LAN, and the wireless WAN. They want to bring the whole pieces together. So secure SD-WAN needed to evolve to support this use case. And with the pandemic in the last 3 years, there was a need to secure remote users as they move on net and off net, meaning they work in one day in the office, they could be working home the next day. So we saw the need for SASE, Secure Access Service Edge, and SD-WAN is foundational for that transition. So secure SD-WAN must evolve to support all these transitions, and you're going to have the right solution to make that happen.
Thank you for sharing that with us. So can you tell me a little bit about Fortinet's secure SD-WAN solution and how it differentiates itself from other offerings?
Sure. So if we look at, we have over 30,000 customers who deployed secure SD-WAN. And we noticed there are three key innovations that organizations like about our solution. The first one is our ability to converge both networking and security in one platform, powered by one operating system and one management. So this is one key area where we're bringing that convergence of networking and security together. The second one is really about our ability to scale and to perform both networking and security functions, leveraging our purpose-built ASIC. So we are the only one in the industry who actually still build their own ASIC to accelerate these networking and security functions. And thirdly is really about the tight integration that we bring in with the local area network, the LAN, the wireless LAN, as well as the wireless WAN, which is the LTE, 4G, and 5G. We bring that tight integration on multiple levels, on the hardware level, on the software, which is the operating system, as well as the management level, to help these organizations to smoothly transition to a software-defined branch and a SASE architecture.
So simplicity, scalability, and seamless integration across multiple levels seems to be the hallmark and the differentiating attributes for Fortinet's secure SD-WAN solution.
Absolutely. I mean, simplifying the architecture is key for these organizations. And as you simplify the architecture, you're actually bringing in efficiency to IT organizations to do their job better. And the whole thing, if you combine the whole thing together, it comes up to reducing cost to these organizations.
Yeah. A lot of IT organizations are resource constrained right now. So a lot of benefits for adopting a solution such as yours. Can you tell me a little bit more about the business benefits that organizations can expect when deploying Fortinet Secure SD-WAN?
Sure thing. So based on a recent study by Forrester, it's called Total Economic Impact, short for TEI. They conducted this study with organizations who deployed Fortinet Secure SD-WAN, and they were able to find several things. One is they were able to achieve 300% ROI over 3 years and a payback in 8 months. The other things that they found in the study is that these organizations were able to reduce the number of network disruptions by 65%, which means better user experience and improved business uptime. Mm-hmm. Another key finding they were able to find that they found in the study is actually an increase in the productivity of both security and network teams by 50%, which means IT can now really focus on more strategic initiatives. By the way, this report is available on our website, on the Fortinet website. So partners, customers, anyone can download the report and read the full analysis that they went through. It's a 20-page report. It's a lengthy one, but it really gives you all the input, all the details that Forrester went through and the things that they discovered with these customers.
Definitely worth downloading. So increased ROI, less network disruptions, and increased productivity for IT teams, all wrapped up in a seamless, secure SD-WAN solution.
And what's key is the payback. The payback is actually in 8 months. That's the other key element or key finding, which is great. I mean, when customers invest in these solutions, how long it takes before they see the payback. Right. And it's great to see it coming in an 8 months period, which is a short period of time, in my opinion.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing your expert insights with us, Rami. Really appreciate your joining us today. And thank you, everyone, for joining us for this episode of Channel Futures TV. I'm Allison Bergamo. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, Allison. Take care.